What if I told you the electric truck everyone's been talking about might already have serious competition? Is this the moment we say, RIP Tesla Cybertruck? Because the 2027 GAC Pickup 01 just entered the chat, and it's not playing around. The 2027 GAC Pickup 01 looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie set. Sharp, aggressive angles, a bold mechanical stance, full-width LED light bars stretching across the front and rear, digital side mirrors replacing traditional ones, and a body design that feels industrial, almost armored. It gives off that stainless steel, futuristic vibe that instantly makes you think of the Cybertruck. But this truck adds its own twist with more sculpted lines and a muscular off-road presence. Whether it's downtown Los Angeles or deep in the Nevada desert, this thing demands attention. But here's where it gets crazy. Inside, the GAC Pickup 01 isn't just modern, it's revolutionary. Imagine a steering wheel that literally slides from left to right. Yes, physically moves. That means the same truck can switch between left-hand drive and right-hand drive. It's one of the boldest engineering moves we've seen in years. For global markets, that's a game changer. For innovation, that's next-level thinking. The cabin itself is ultra-minimalist and tech-focused. Massive digital displays, AI integration, clean surfaces, and almost no traditional buttons. This truck feels like it was designed around software first, hardware second, and speaking of AI, the Pickup 01 introduces what's called the Starlight Safety Shield. This isn't just lane keeping and adaptive cruise control. This system uses advanced sensors and AI, learning to predict hazards, monitor surroundings in real time, and adapt to driving behavior. It's aiming to push beyond basic driver assistance into true predictive safety technology. Now let's talk utility, because this is still a pickup truck. The bed is modular and configurable. That means owners can adjust it depending on whether they're hauling tools for work, loading bikes for the weekend, or setting it up for camping adventures. It's designed for both commercial users and lifestyle buyers. This isn't just a truck for job sites. It's a truck for creators, explorers, and entrepreneurs. Under the skin, the Pickup 01 rides on an advanced EV platform expected to feature dual-motor, all-wheel drive. We're talking instant torque, smooth acceleration, and the kind of silent power that electric trucks are known for. Battery size is projected around 100 to 120 kilowatt-hours, paired with an 800-volt fast charging system. That means significantly quicker charging times compared to older EV architectures. Estimated range, around 500 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, which translates to competitive real-world performance for American buyers. And then comes the part that could really shake things up: pricing. Early estimates suggest a starting point around $41,000, with realistic production models potentially landing between $50,000 and $70,000, depending on configuration. If that pricing holds, it positions the GAC Pickup 01 directly against heavy hitters like the Cybertruck and other electric pickups in the US market. And that's where things get interesting, because the question isn't just whether this truck looks cool, it's whether it can deliver the tech, range, durability, and real-world performance American truck buyers demand. If GAC executes this properly, the 2027 Pickup 01 could seriously disrupt the electric truck segment. Bold design, adaptive engineering, AI-driven safety, modular functionality, competitive pricing. That's a powerful combination. So is it really RIP Tesla Cybertruck? Or is this just the beginning of a new electric pickup war? Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure you subscribe to Maple Motor Report for more deep dives into the future of automotive innovation.